Here's the news of the day. Eve Air Mobility launched its Eve TechCare service portfolio to streamline eVTOL operations, offering comprehensive support and solutions for efficient urban air mobility. AutoFlight and UI Helijet signed an agreement to develop advanced air mobility operations in South Korea, focusing on introducing the Prosperity 1 eVTOL aircraft. Supernal signed partnerships with Lacy Aviation and Blade Urban Mobility to develop advanced air mobility infrastructure and explore eVTOL fleet operations for future urban networks. The U.S. Helicopter Safety Team is launching a peer pilot program to provide helicopter pilots and crew members with confidential peer support and mental health resources, available 24/7. Barenya Senapati has been appointed as Director of Finance at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, bringing 31 years of finance expertise and playing a key role in major contracts and pricing. JSFirm.com surpasses 30,000 aviation job listings, thanks to partnerships with over 60 industry organizations, expanding its reach to connect skilled professionals with job opportunities. CAE unveils a new Apple Vision Pro app for immersive pilot training, allowing pilots to practice critical procedures and build muscle memory from anywhere, enhancing training flexibility. The FAA has published new regulations for powered lift aircraft, creating a framework for pilot certification and safe eVTOL operations, marking a significant step for air taxis and cargo delivery. EVA Air and Airbus have partnered to accelerate sustainable aviation fuel adoption, aiming to reduce carbon emissions and enhance fuel efficiency across EVA Air's operations. Malaysia plans to develop sustainable aviation fuel from palm oil waste, with Petronas partnering with palm producers, while new tax incentives aim to boost SAF and biodiesel production. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.